Country of origin: China. The package height of the product is 3.61 inches. The package length of the product is 10.75 inches. The package width of the product is 6.52 inches. Premium quality custom cables. Tough, durable synthetic rubber jacket won't burn, soften, or melt in contact with hot engine parts. Resists corrosive elements such as oil, moisture and heat. Top reviews from the United States. Mods needed. Used this on my 2002 F257. 3. Wasn't too bad. Just make sure to cut off the old insulator and install in the exact same length as the original, or it will be a pain. Bracket just bends, so I reused it. Not very difficult to modify. Used a grinder to cut off the rubber sleeve used in the bracket. You have a little extra cable to tend with by the battery, but otherwise a good product to use. Reuse the old solenoid wire.